음악을 들을 때 또 try not to look 시간이 멈춘 듯해 Oh that will be my first thing I'll be nowhere's afraid of
이게 나를 더 못 뚫린다면 내 가슴을 더 떨리게 못한다면 어쩜 이렇게 한번 죽겠지 아마 But what if the moment's right now, right now 귓가에 느린 심장 소리만 뻥뻥뻥
What's up, everybody? I'm legit on an actual exploring adventure. Oh my god. I see like a shack down there. That's kind of weird. No, this is not my content I'm looking for. It's just on the way. It's kind of weird looking. Like a homemade shack in the woods. Wow, that's weird. Wow. It's like a trailer, like an office trailer with the door open. That's kind of weird, actually. Wow. That's cool, man. Someone's house is up there. They can explore this anytime they wish. Lucky people. Lucky people. Here's a highway. Here's some art on the wall. Looks lovely. Wow, this is so weird. It echoes. It feels like a few miles. Oh shit, that scared me. That actually did scare me. Oh man. Is this the thing? It's all hyped up about? Wow, that scared me actually. Oh my god. It's all torn apart. I remember it was small stuff to it. Huh. Interesting. This is what I found on a website. Awesome. That is awesome, man. Wow. Arms fell through a hole through a thin ice. I found him, man. Now let's get off the field. That's cool find, man. I thought there's more to it than that. That's what I call exploring. Yeah, this spot is kind of weird. Like an office trailer, though it's wide open. And then this too. I don't know. It's kind of weird actually. Huh. I'm not sure if this is a part of the person's house or up there. I'm not too sure. It's kind of weird. Quite a mystery. been legit 5 minutes. The train is still going. That's huge. Wow, I've never seen a train with cargo like that before. That's huge, man. Like, it makes you think they could put the big one on the bottom. You know what I mean? It's still going. Here's the end. Very exciting day. It's still going. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you liked that video. Epic piece of train left in the field, and the 2 abandoned shacks in the woods down by the swamp area. That's epic. Oh yeah, man. Live the moment, be the true. More epic videos coming your way. I'm trying to get back on the grind. Yeah. So anyways, live the moment, be the true. And I will see you guys in the next adventure.